Hi guys, today I will show you how add event to your calendar on your Motorola Moto G. First step, open main menu and tap on calendar application. In it, we can change view and tap on the day when we want to add our event, maybe 20th of March, and there this plus icon. Now we can add title of our event, what you want. There we can add event to our family or group members on Gmail. There we can set when event starts and finish, or we can set it will be all day. Add location of event, notification maybe on the day at 9 o'clock or more notification. We can invite people to our event, change color which we see in our calendar, and add note to our event. There we can tap more option and repeat, maybe we need every month. And after we set all we need, we press save and we have it in our calendar right now. That's all, thanks for watching, bye!